Iran's General Director of the Aerospace Industry at the Ministry of Defense has announced that the Qaher-313 aircraft, touted as a stealth fighter, has entered the flight test phase in an unmanned version. This announcement was made during the Kish International Airshow, reigniting interest and serious discussions about the future of this project, which was first presented back in 2013. Since then, the Qaher-313 has been repeatedly scrutinized and analyzed, raising doubts about what this Iranian aircraft really represents and whether it will ever move beyond the theoretical ambitions of its development program. Iran markets the Qaher-313 as a stealth fighter with unique capabilities, including the ability to evade radars, fly at low altitudes, and carry out tactical operations. It is also presented as a symbol of technological independence, part of Iran's strategy to establish itself as a regional power capable of relying on its own military innovations. The aircraft's design resembles modern stealth fighters like the American F-22 and F-35, with distinctive sharp angles and a body that, according to Iranian officials, minimizes its radar signature. However, these claims have been questioned by aviation experts and military analysts, who argue that despite the ambitions of Iran's defense industry, the aircraft shows serious structural limitations that are likely to constrain its operational effectiveness in real combat conditions. One of the primary concerns raised by experts regarding the Qaher-313 is its aerodynamics. While sharp angles in a stealth design can effectively reduce radar visibility, they also introduce significant aerodynamic drag and resistance. A notable issue with the Qaher-313 design is the absence of traditional vertical stabilizers or tailplanes, which are standard on many modern fighter aircraft. These components play an essential role in ensuring stability during high-speed maneuvers and under heavy load conditions. The lack of vertical stabilizers suggests that the Qaher-313 might face significant control challenges, especially during dynamic aerial combat where quick adjustments to flight paths are required. The Qaher-313's wings, appearing small and less expansive compared to other modern fighter jets, could further limit its maneuverability at high speeds. Smaller wings may struggle to generate the necessary lift during rapid maneuvers, a critical issue when evading incoming threats or executing tactical combat operations. The most serious issue with the Qaher-313, however, is the lack of detailed information about key technical components. To date, no specific details have been released regarding the aircraft's engines, avionics, and materials used in its construction. One possible future for the Qaher-313 is that it will continue to function as a symbol of Iran's engineering ambition and efforts to prove technological autonomy, rather than becoming a meaningful military asset. Despite Iran's repeated attempts to market it as a serious competitor to modern stealth fighters, it seems that the aircraft is more likely to remain a testing platform for future developments, rather than a fully operational combat machine.